Behavior therapy is a widely used approach in psychology that focuses on understanding and modifying behaviors to improve overall functioning and quality of life. Here's an overview of behavior therapy, including its need, assessment process, scope, and nature of intervention. Need for behavior therapy. 1. Behavior therapy is needed when individuals experience maladaptive behaviors that interfere with their daily functioning, relationships, and well-being. 2. Common reasons for seeking behavior therapy include anxiety disorders, mood disorders, obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, autism spectrum disorder, ASD, phobias, trauma-related disorders, and substance use disorders. 3. Behavior therapy aims to identify the underlying causes of problematic behaviors, teach coping skills, and promote positive behavior change. Assessment process. 1. The assessment process in behavior therapy involves gathering information about the individual's behaviors, thoughts, emotions, and environmental factors contributing to their difficulties. 2. Assessment methods may include clinical interviews, self-report measures, behavioral observations, functional behavior assessments, FBA, and standardized psychological tests. 3. The assessment helps behavior therapists understand the function of the individual's behaviors, identify triggers and maintaining factors, and develop personalized intervention plans. Scope of behavior therapy. 1. Behavior therapy addresses a wide range of behavioral and emotional concerns across the lifespan, including anxiety disorders, generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, specific phobias, and separation anxiety disorder, mood disorders, depression, bipolar disorder, and disruptive mood dysregulation disorder, OCD and related disorders, obsessive-compulsive disorder, hoarding disorder, and body dysmorphic disorder, trauma and stress-related disorders, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and acute stress disorder, ADHD and disruptive behavior disorders, attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder, oppositional defiant disorder, ODD, and conduct disorder, autism spectrum disorder, targeting challenging behaviors, social skills deficits, and sensory sensitivities, substance use disorders, addressing substance abuse, dependence, and addiction through behavioral interventions. Nature of intervention. 1. Behavior therapy interventions are evidence-based and focused on modifying behaviors through various techniques and strategies. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, identifying and challenging maladaptive thoughts and beliefs, and teaching coping skills to manage emotions and behaviors. Exposure therapy, gradual exposure to feared or avoided situations to reduce anxiety and desensitize individuals to triggers. Behavioral activation, encouraging engagement in rewarding activities and increasing positive reinforcement to improve mood and motivation. Behavior modification techniques, using reinforcement, shaping, modeling, and systematic desensitization to change behavior patterns. Skills training, teaching social skills, communication skills, problem-solving skills, and emotion regulation skills to enhance adaptive functioning. Parent training, providing education and support to parents to manage challenging behaviors, improve parenting skills, and create a supportive home environment. Behavior therapy emphasizes collaboration between the therapist and the individual to set goals, monitor progress, and make adjustments to the intervention plan as needed. By addressing maladaptive behaviors and promoting adaptive coping strategies, behavior therapy helps individuals achieve positive behavior change and improve their overall well-being.